For headaches and migraines, you're going to want to go after large intestine 20. This is located on both sides of the nose, beside the nostrils, and it's in kind of the cheek fold right around here. Now you can press both of these points, and then you can kind of like spread out a little bit, opening up the nostrils. And then you could use a nice circular motion and a steady pressure for about 2 minutes. And you can get the person to take a nice deep breath in and out through the nose as you work through this acupoint. Yin Tang is located in between the two eyebrows, and this is in the third eye. This point helps with eye strain, and if you pull up slightly and then just do a nice circular, even pressure for 1 to 3 minutes, it's incredibly relaxing. This is a lot of people's favorite point. Urinary bladder 2, located on the inside edges of the eyebrows. You can place fingertips down here. And here it's a little bit more of a sensitive area, so you can use a lighter to medium pressure depending what people like. Now with this one, you can also do some circular motions and hold it for 1 to 2 minutes. This is a good point for anyone who has eye strain. With gallbladder 20, this is going to be located at the base of the back of the head on both sides of the middle axis beside the suboccipitals. So this is the middle axis just underneath the base of the skull, and right here would be the suboccipitals. You move slightly outer or laterally, and right about there should be gallbladder 20. Now I'm showing you guys in seated, but of course you can do this to yourself in seated, or you could do it to a client with them lying on their back. Now you'd want to hold this point for about 1 to 2 minutes. And this is a good point for headache relief. So massage it in a circular motion for 1 to 3 minutes. And that should definitely get most people some nice relief for their headaches. Gallbladder 21 is located midway from the neck to the end of the shoulder in the upper portion of the upper traps. So it would be right around here. A lot of you will know this as a common trigger point for people. And this is a good point for anyone who has a stiff neck or sore shoulders. With this one, you can definitely place a little more pressure down. You could do this technique in seated as well as supine on their back. Hold this for about 1 to 3 minutes, but sometimes it can take even as long as 5 minutes for this point to really ease up and to get neck pain relief. Large intestine 4 is an amazing point for headaches and migraines. It's located in between the thumb and the index finger. And with this one, you travel up until you feel kind of a bone at the end here, and then you go slightly lower and press down. With this one, you can hold it for about 1 minute and use some nice deep breathing as you work through this point. You're going to want to do it on both hands. And this point is also good for stimulating the immune system.